Dori jaje. Hayi lozo.
Kolo unofana kuzinzene wani kuti kolo. Aya ku. Ndo unofana ku.
I know mise ku. Apo. Pompono.
Ipo.
Respect.
Stand kukuona ikoko.
Kushoko ere.
Kushoko.
Oh, okay. Bo.
Ivo. Sanganeko. Volat. Bo.
Yo, it's the Fire King aka Dadzadi, and you don't know Sebede Shoko 2020 plenty. I miss a Phoenix edition. Thing can seize it, can done. We not stop. You see it, man. Everything balanced, everything level. Let me tell you one thing. Shoko Festival is Zimbabwe's longest arts and culture festival. Let me come again. Zimbabwe's longest up and running arts and cultural festival right about now. I will say peace in the hood. I'm from the hood. Everything gold. But you get to you through that this should. You don't know. Yo, my name is Dadzadi aka Darlington Tonga Ijanje. I will day a Shoko 2020 plenty Phoenix edition. I will say we fall and from